Do you know why local businesses with perfect Google business profiles are getting outranked by competitors with worse reviews? It's because Google isn't just reading your online listings anymore. They're also watching what's happening in the real world. In this video, we'll show you the 6 offline signals that Google is watching and how to turn them into SEO advantages. Let's start with the first signal: foot traffic and location data. Every smartphone emits GPS, Wi-Fi, and motion signals. When multiple devices show up at the same location and stay there for a while, Google infers that a real business is operating there. That's how popular times and people typically spend 20 minutes here get generated. Movement patterns prove your storefront isn't a ghost listing. But GPS isn't always accurate indoors or in dense areas, and that's why Google layers in another signal. Number 2, network presence. Wi-Fi and mobile network data fill in the gaps. Active Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth signals, device pings, these prove a space is occupied and powered. It's how Google separates real businesses from empty fields. Location data proves that people are showing up. But are they buying? Google checks for that too. Number 3, point of sale transactions. Credit cards, digital wallets, loyalty apps. Google sees anonymized commitment that commerce is happening. If you're integrated with Google Analytics or Merchant Center, these signals reinforce that actual buying and selling are occurring. Digital signals are powerful, but Google also uses something pretty old school: what they can see. Number 4, storefront signage. Street view cars, maps contributors, and customer photos help Google read your physical signage. If your sign matches your Google business profile name, that consistency builds trust. Visual confirmation is one of Google's favorite sources of truth. But beyond what Google sees directly, they also track what others say about you. Number 5, local press and community mentions. Google indexes citations from local newspapers, event listings, sponsorships, and community programs. When a city website or charity mentions your business by name and location, that's proof you're part of the actual community. But the strongest proof comes directly from your customers. Number 6, user-generated content, or UGC. Customer photos and videos are the most convincing proof. A review photo of someone's meal, a tagged Instagram story, or a TikTok showing your staff. All this tells Google real people are engaging with a real place. These signals help Google mirror the physical world online. Ground truth is the new trust signal, and it starts on your street, not on your website. Now, here's how to make your offline activity machine readable. First, use schema markup to speak Google's native language. Schema translates your offline activity into structured data that Google can understand. Add schema for your local business information, events, and reviews. This tells Google, in code, that your business is real and tied to a specific location. For example, event schema for a summer concert series can make the event appear in Google's Events Near You panel. Each piece of structured data strengthens your entity profile. Second, use your Google business profile. Post event updates, team photos, and seasonal promos. Every photo and update tells Google that your business is active. Those posts get indexed and keep your entity data fresh, which can boost how often you appear in maps and local search. Third, encourage customer photos and videos in reviews. User-generated visuals are the most persuasive offline to online signals you can get. When customers upload photos, that's proof real people visited. Google's image recognition categorizes those visuals: indoor shots, menu items, team photos, which helps their systems understand your environment. Use in-store signage asking customers to share photos with reviews. Send follow-up messages inviting them to post pictures. These visuals reinforce trust with Google's algorithms. And finally, use loyalty apps or QR codes. Loyalty apps track repeat visits, purchases, and check-ins. Integrate them with Google Merchant Center or Analytics, and those interactions feed engagement signals into Google's understanding of your brand. Simple QR codes work too. Place them at checkout or on tables to drive your customers to your Google review form. Every scan, file upload, and review add proof that your business is thriving. Now that you know which signals Google is watching and how to make them machine readable, you're probably wondering, how will I know the steps I just learned will actually work? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell for our next video, where we'll show you how to measure the impact of these offline signals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.